Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ENA Micro 9 espresso machine. This Jura espresso machine came back to us because no water was coming out through here and the coffee grounds were completely dry. So what was happening is like the brew unit was clogged. We basically had to disassemble the entire, this is another brew unit of the machine. But this is the exact same one as this one. We had to disassemble the entire thing in order to actually find the clog where it was, and the clog was around. It's pretty hard to see, but it was around here in this part. There's a motion valve with a couple of O-rings in there. We replaced the O-rings and deep clean everything inside. Make sure that there were no coffee debris or coffee buildup. Because that was exactly what was clogging up the brew unit. It was just coffee buildup or coffee grounds getting their way in there. Whatever it was by using very fine pre-ground or just regular use of the machine as well without doing any cleaning cycles. These hoses are very tiny and they can get very clogged if you skip a couple of cleaning cycles of the machine. So we end up deep cleaning everything again, re-lubricating the brew unit, making sure the O-rings were not damaged and they were good, making a good seal in the whole unit itself. And now we're gonna test it out, starting with a very long coffee so we can see how much water it goes through the whole machine itself. As you can see, grinder is being used, grounds fall into the little chamber over here of the brew unit. They get compressed by the brew unit itself, and then water goes around the tube and goes right here into the cup. Now water is being flowing out through the entire machine. As you can see, there's no leaks coming out or anything from the brew unit itself. Water is still flowing through his tube, to the water tank, to the pump, and of course through the other side of the thermal blocks. And if they were leaking, we will see a ton of water coming out through here, especially after a big coffee cup like that. As you can see, it disposes the pucks very well. We'll do that again. This time I get a different container because that container is completely full. Here we go. Again, it compresses everything, and as you can see on this side, coffee comes out, no leaks, working great. Let me remove this rag. Perfect. Perfect. That was a lot of liquid that came out of the machine. And as you can see, there's no leaks visible or anything like that on the machine as well. Everything working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Jura Micro 9 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.